This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Valerie Williams. Welcome to this rare 4-bedroom and unit townhome with an oversized backyard. Great bright floor plan for gatherings. New roof in 2022, new HVAC in 2022, new garage door and opener in 2019, and new hot water heater in 2019. Grillers, bring your skills to family and friends gatherings on the amazing large covered deck. Fence conveys as is. Fireplace conveys as is, seller never usset. Centrally located near town center, restaurants, military bases, interstates, parks, and more. September 29, 2024. For more information, review the details below.